When large teams or enterprises pick a collaborative workspace, it's not just about notes. It's about real-time editing, integrated workflows, and tight security. Two big players that come up are Microsoft Loop and Notion, each with its own strengths and ideal use cases for companies. First, Microsoft Loop. If your organization already runs on Microsoft 365, Teams, Outlook, Word, Loop feels like a natural extension. Loop's core concept is its live components, small, modular pieces like tables, checklists, or task lists that you can drop into Teams chats, Outlook emails, or Word docs. And wherever they go, they stay synced. blog.anti.space. Collaboration in Loop is very fluid. Everyone edits in real time, and changes propagate across the whole Microsoft ecosystem. Loop also pulls your meeting agendas and notes directly from Teams into a dedicated Meeting Details tab automatically, so context follows you from Calendar to Workspace without manual effort. On the AI side, Loop increasingly leans on Microsoft Copilot. That means you can generate outlines, draft ideas, or summarize content with AI right inside your pages, great for brainstorming or project planning. Now, Notion. This is a highly flexible, all-in-one workspace loved by teams that build out custom workflows, knowledge bases, and project systems. Notion's strength is its databases. You can create tables with relations, roll-ups, filters, and switch between views like Kanban, Timeline, or Calendar. Its modular block system means you can arrange text, media, tasks, and embeds however you want. Collaboration is robust. Multiple users can edit simultaneously, leave comments, mention each other, and track version history. You also get more third-party integrations, Slack, Google Drive, GitHub, and others, that give Notion flexibility across tools. Notion has a very deep template ecosystem. From internal wikis to project trackers and strategy dashboards, there are thousands of community and official templates. On AI, Notion includes AI features to summarize content, adjust tone, generate drafts, and even research across connected D. In short, Loop is the go-to for fast, embedded collaboration inside Microsoft 365. Notion is the playground for enterprise knowledge, workflows, and deeply structured content. Depending on how your company works and where you already invest, either one can be the right collaborative workspace.